going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great day so far. All right, I've got a good one. Judge Shackelford. Yeah, this defended FAFO hard. Don't interrupt the judge. Don't do it. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like, subscribe, do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
All right, this is 23-14-76, the state of Michigan versus Kevin Kowalczyk.
Your Honor, James Guzicki on behalf of Mr. Kowalczyk, who's present on Zoom. Your Honor, he's requesting a new attorney.
All right, Mr. Kowalczyk, tell me your name.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Kevin Thomas Kowalczyk, 1234 or 1233-1993 or 31.
Right. You have a jury trial set for 2 weeks, for 2 weeks. Mr. Guzicki has been representing you. Why is it you're seeking a new attorney?
Your Honor, because he's not doing what I asked him to do for me. I asked him to ask you or whatever needs to be said or done. I have really, I have concerns about this. I don't feel this is fair. I had this tether on my leg and I'm going through everything I'm going through. And I also feel like I'm being harassed by Taylor, and I could just go on and on and on that we could go for months and months and talk, but I don't have time to waste on your hand, and you don't have time to sit here and waste, but I got voicemails with my phone number, dates of times that it come through my phone of people calling my phone, threatening me they're going to kill me. I got stacks and stacks of police reports from where she's came by my house threatening me.
All right, sir, I can't hear all of that though right now. There's not a trial set in front of me. I mean, those sound like things that you could present at trial if they're appropriate. An attorney would know better than I at this point. I don't know any of that, and I'm impartial. I'm not supposed to know all of that until all the parties are present and there's a trial or a plea taking place.
Where's she at?
But there's a charge against you for domestic violence. It's set for a jury trial in 2 weeks. Now, Mr. Guzicki's been representing you so far along. I don't understand what the material breakdown is.
I no longer want him. I need to figure out how I can get a legal aid lawyer to represent for me.
Well, you are entitled through this court. I mean, you have a constitutional right to counsel, but Mr. Guzicki is our house counsel. There's another attorney that could be appointed to represent you for trial going forward.
Your Honor.
Well, you don't get to, sir, if you pay for your lawyer, you can go through as many as you want.
All right, this guy already has a problem interrupting. We already see that. And yeah, you get appointed an attorney. You can't afford one when it is appointed, which is Mr. Guzicki. Hopefully I said his name right. I mean, that's how it works. You don't get to pick. You don't. Sorry. And you're not even saying what he did wrong. He's not doing what you want him to do. Again, that's not how attorneys work. They'll give you advice and tell you, this is how we should move forward. And at the end of the day, they're going to move forward with the case that the best defend you. Okay, I think I said that right. All right, let's go.
But if you don't like, I'm not going to just continue appointing different attorneys because you don't like what they have to say. That's. So how are you going to get another attorney? I have another attorney in the building.
I've been trying to contact Free Legal Aid, and they said that they will represent me. I just need what did she say, babe?
She said that you had to get a hold of the court to let them know that you needed a new lawyer.
Did you hear my girlfriend by any chance?
No, and I know I want to hear what you are telling me.
They said that you had to get a hold of the courts, and the courts had to notify them that you wanted a new legal aid lawyer.
All right, I don't know if you saw Judge Shackle just shake her head there. She can't talk on the record. She can't. I don't know if they actually formally called this case, so maybe there's not a record going. I don't know. But yeah, she can't speak. She can't.
All right, I don't know what you said. So listen, if you want a 1 week adjournment, we can come back next Wednesday and you can come in with your new attorney from legal aid.
Plus, ma'am, my other concern is I wanted to know how I want to bond this over the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice of Frank.
This is a misdemeanor. That doesn't happen. Your attorney probably advised you of that. This is not a felony.
He never told me that. He never told me that.
All right. Well, you can't bind over a misdemeanor. This is the court of jurisdiction.
I have before.
Well, you're not. Well, you're not. This is a misdemeanor, 93-day misdemeanor. This is the court of jurisdiction. Third Circuit cases are 2 years.
I was told it was 14 months in prison.
Sir, this is a single count.
And where is Miss Sarah McCall? How come she's not on the video? How come she's not in court? Ain't she supposed to be in court?
Who are you talking? No, Mr. Kowalczyk, you need to chill. Calm down.
You know,
she's present.
I'm calm. No, I'm calm, ma'am. If you want, you could take the tether off my leg and you could send me 14 months in prison. I have no further to speak. You're
$200. Mr. Kowalczyk, you are held in direct contempt of court. You owe this court $200 fine. You want to keep going? You're not going to talk over me in this courtroom.
But don't I have the right to speak?
Sir, no, you have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
And if I were you, I would exercise it.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma'am. I apologize.
$200 for direct contempt of court. I've never seen someone held in contempt that was an attorney, that was not an attorney, get a fine for contempt. Generally, it's you show up right now and you're going to spend X amount of days in jail. It's interesting that she only gave him a fine for direct contempt. All right, I'm going to let this play out. You guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Until next time, bye.
All right.
I'll do life in prison. I don't care.
Do you want a 1 week adjournment so that you can try and retain an attorney?
I mean, is there a way I don't know how to do nothing, ma'am. I don't know how to go about getting a lawyer set up.
Well, sir, you listen to me.
And I feel it's a conference of interest.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
But I can't.
You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, the court will appoint one. The court has appointed Mr. Gizicki to represent you.
Correct.
You're indicating now that you want to go to legal aid and you want to get the advice of a legal aid attorney to see if they'll represent you on this matter. And you have a right to do so. So I will give you a 1 week adjournment so that you can retain counsel. This is set for a jury trial in a week. In a week and a few days.
Ma'am, I don't even care. I'm just gonna go with it with the flow. We'll just do it how it goes and let this dude think he's gonna do the job for me like he said.
I'll see you back in 1 week.
Can I represent myself?
We'll readjust this in 1 week. You're to be back here next Wednesday our city docket? You're to be back here next Wednesday at 9 a.m. and you can give me an update on your legal aid attorney at that time. And the matter's adjourned until that day.
How to do it. I can't smoke.
All right, I know I said I was going to let it play out. It's over now. But I just wanted to clarify one thing. I know the judge can fine someone for contempt. I'm just used to seeing it for attorneys. I'm sure it happens all the time. All right, I forgot to put an outro on this. So that's actually why I paused it. I'm loading my outro. All right, you guys all have a great day. Got to figure out where it is. There we go. All right, now I'm out. Till next time. Bye.